Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to post a photo on Instagram. Okay, let's begin by opening up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, do you see in the bottom row that icon in the middle, little plus, is to the right of the magnifier and the left of the love symbol? Tap on that. It's like the plus in a square. Okay, once here, it will take you into your camera files. If you look on the top middle where it says camera roll, so that's where you can choose which location you want to pull the photo from. You see where there's like a little down pointing arrow to the right of camera roll? If you tap on that, you can choose different locations within your phone that you can pull these images from. Okay. So now go ahead and just tap it one more time to just pull that out. Anyway, so to post a picture, find the picture. So let's see. I'll choose a different location just for the exercise. I'll go ahead and tap on where it says camera roll. This will change my location that I'm pulling this picture from. All right. Let's say I go to camera roll. Oh, sorry. That's where we were before. How about animated? I'll go to that, and then just select this. So I can select whichever picture I want. So you see how if I tap on a picture, it turns kind of grayish. See like that? That's the picture that I'm on right now. So tap any one of those pictures, and then once you find the picture that you like to tap, click on next. When you go to next, it gives you the option of editing it and stuff like that. But that's in a different video. I'm only showing you how to post a picture. So after you have done all your editing, click on next again. And once you're here, you can write a caption, tag people in the add location, or also if you have your Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr profiles connected to your Instagram profile, you can post it on all of those other apps just through Instagram. All right. So once you have done all of that, instead of clicking on share, go ahead and click on share, and that posts your picture on Instagram. That's how simple it is. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.